up, OldSols? I'm back at the S model. The old S Mugen, Mayugen, Moo Plus. I'm still trying to rip this stupid thing apart, but I've got a lot done. Today I might be working on the motor, saving some of these parts for extra parts. That would be great. I got this door off. I got a lot of stuff done on here, but I do want to save the dash and a lot of other stuff. I got to take that door off still. This is almost completely done. I got to get this off. All the windows. I got everything out of here. This doesn't work anymore. This is all just rusted to shit. I got to get my rims off still. I got to get the mirrors and that door off because it's good. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. But first I gotta like organize all this crap. I just got too much stuff and I'm like weaving my way around stuff, and I'm gonna clean some of this up still. But yeah, we're getting close to sending this bad boy. I do want to yank this motor. The motor is 100% perfectly fine. I want to keep it. I want to kind of redo it. I want to do a mini-me kind of VTEC hybrid kind of a thing with it. I don't know. But that's what we're doing today. Pretty relaxing for me to do this. So I've been so busy with work and sun tops and new bezel designs and just life in general that I'm just gonna dig into this today. And yeah, it's relaxing and soothing to me. So that's what I'm doing today. First I'm gonna get some of this cleaned up, so that's what I'm gonna do, and just do a little highlight vlog ski here of what I'm ripping off this bad boy. All right. Okay. Let's clean all this mess up first. All right, it was like an hour, but I got some stuff organized. I'm over at my aunt's house because I have OldSols everywhere. I've got one at my house, one at my dad's house, and one at my aunt's house. So you just throw OldSols wherever you don't have room, and that's fine. But I needed to organize like her area because she had just like stuff everywhere. So I got this little work area here. I kind of hung everything up here. I cleaned all this off and I cleaned up all this area because I am gonna need room to get this motor out to here. So that's kind of why I needed to do that. But yeah, good to have room. So much room for activities now, guys. So yeah, now I'm just gonna start digging into this. There's just some nice kind of things that I'd like to keep. This is a nice little ground wire. Mine are really old on my OldSol, so I'll be able to use that. I'm gonna get this guy off here just because I want to keep that, and the battery's shot, so that's got to be thrown away. And just, yeah, gonna start digging into this, boys. So here we go. Right here through the night. So don't stop dreaming, 'cause see that feeling. It's magic and so powerful that pulls us to the light. Don't stop dreaming, 'cause here we're feeling the magic. It's so powerful that pulls us to the light. so I'm just cranking along here. I got the distributor out, the air intake, I got the fuse box and the battery out. Just kind of working my way this way, unhooking stuff, getting stuff. I'm just kind of letting all these kind of sit in here because they're really old. All right, so I'm just letting all the old radiator fluid kind of get out of here. I'm not gonna unhook everything just because I'm gonna rip this all out, but I do have to get, you know, the radiator out and some stuff, so yeah. Just doing that, little things while I can. But it's good to have all these extra things for, I don't know when I'm even gonna get to this motor, but I'll have one, I'll have an extra one. We can make it VTEC, so it's not a big deal, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Whee boy! I did not want to film all that because that's some boring shit, so that doesn't make for good vlogs, but I can show you where I'm at. I got the radiator out. I gotta get this thing out still. Most of like this whole side I got out. The fuse box, all this crap. I'm trying to get all that out. I did get the fuel rail off, and this guy, boy, just does not want to come off. I'm pretty sure I got all the bolts too. There might be some bolts hidden somewhere, but yeah, I'll probably get the headers off tomorrow and some other stuff. But we're getting there. We're getting pretty close. Yeah. Not bad. I'm just kind of letting some things drain down there and down there. So, doing that kind of stuff, but, I'm getting pretty close here, guys. Getting pretty close to sending this dude on its way. I do want this front core support thing right here. I think these are welded on, but I think I might be able to get under these and kind of just cut them. And maybe just cut them down there or, you know, something like that. But this front is pretty good. It's not really rusted anywhere, so I might try to keep that one maybe. I don't really know yet, but I don't have one of those, so that'd kind of be nice to have one. So, and it would make getting the motor out like way easier. So yeah, I don't know. I might do that. But yeah, just kind of a little recap of my Sunday. Wasn't doing too much, but I only cut myself twice, so it's a success as well. But yeah, I might be getting out of here for today. Not too much left to do, but I don't know. Happy Fun Day Sunday, gentlemen and ladies, and yeah. I don't know. I don't really know. Once I get this one out of here, I'm gonna get another one. So, like, the trend continues, but my next one, I can't have these rusted ass, you know, rear panels on it. That was the deal breaker. This one, it would have been fine, but it's just, those are killer, man. And like, I'm either ripping up another Del Sol to get some nice ones, or I'm getting some from Russia. I know a guy makes them and he'll send them here for like $350-ish bucks, but God, I mean, that's what I paid for this Del Sol. Like, I don't need to order those for this one. It's fine. I'll take the motor and we'll call it good. So yeah, I don't know. All right, rant over. Peace.